The CountBlank function counts the number of blank cells within a column. You'll use CountBlank followed by the column name of which you'd like to count the blanks. This is going to return a whole number. If no rows are found that meet any of the condition, you'll get some blanks in return. The CountBlank function in DAX is like someone checking inventory. It's going to scan through the column, through whatever they're looking at, and count how many entries are empty. If we're looking at inventory, they might look and say, okay, what do we need to reorder? One example would be you're assessing customer feedback. What you might do is count blank on the feedback column to figure out how many columns didn't actually receive any feedback back. Let's go ahead and build it together. So count blank. We've been talking about blanks a bit in this class and ways that we either want to ignore them or really focus on them. And count blank is actually one of those functions where we want to really focus on the blanks. So what might be a pretty good scenario for this, right? Definitely anything with missing information. So what we're going to build is a new measure. And in this measure, we're going to assess using CountBlank how many of our customers are missing a middle name in our data. This could be pretty helpful. Maybe we need a little bit more specificity. Maybe we're missing their birthday, right? Anything like that, we can say, okay, we're missing these categories. We need to make sure that we email these people to fill in some information. This would be great. Maybe in a medical office, I'm going in and I'm saying, hey, we didn't get your emergency contact. It's missing. We need that ASAP. So I'm going to use CountBlank. CountBlank followed by dim customer, because I'm looking at a column. I need to provide the column I want to look at for blanks, which is middle name. And we can assess how many people did not place their middle name, or in some cases, don't have a middle name. I'll hit CountBlank with an enter here and bring that into my card visual. And I can see I've got about 7,000 plus people here that don't have that middle name. Either they forgot to add it or they just don't have it. If I want to bring it into my table here, I can assess that number across my full countries. That is pretty awesome. Now we can go in and make sure that we fill in that missing information.